Welcome to the Angler Bay 181 Tunnel Skiff DLX, your ultimate partner for versatile and efficient boating adventures. This boat combines cutting-edge design with high-quality features, making it perfect for both seasoned anglers and recreational boaters. With a sleek hull and spec interior, the Angler Bay 181 Tunnel Skiff DLX stands out on the water. Its 18-foot 1-inch length and 7-foot 6-inch width provide a spacious and stable platform, ideal for a variety of water activities. Weighing in at 1,200 to 1,300 pounds, this skiff is built for performance and durability. Comfort is key, with the 70-quart cooler seat featuring a flip-flop backrest, perfect for those long days on the water. The stainless steel steering wheel with power grip knob ensures smooth and effortless navigation. Designed for maximum capacity, the Angler Bay 181 Tunnel Skiff DLX can accommodate up to 9 persons or 1,269 pounds, with a total capacity of 1,800 pounds for persons, motor, and gear. Its 90 max horsepower motor capability and shallow draft of 8 to 10 inches make it ideal for exploring both shallow and deeper waters. Don't miss your chance to own this exceptional boat. Visit DirectBoats.com today to learn more and make your purchase. The Angler Bay 181 Tunnel Skiff DLX, where quality meets performance.